भारत ऑस्ट्रेलिया संबंध विस्तृत होने के साथ साथ गहरे भी हैं।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi held the India-Australia Virtual Summit on 4th June with Prime Minister Scott Morrison, focusing on the positive trajectory in bilateral relations.
Your Excellency, can I thank you for your leadership, not just within India but more broadly throughout the G20, the Indo-Pacific, and the stabilising and constructive and very positive role that you have played in these very difficult times.
This is the first ever bilateral virtual summit held by PM Modi. PM Morrison was scheduled to visit India in January, but the meeting was first postponed due to bushfires and then due to the coronavirus pandemic. Here are the key points from the online summit. Speaking at the summit, Prime Minister Modi said, "First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt condolences to all the people and families affected by COVID-19 in Australia from my side and from all over India."
कि स्थिति सुधरने के बाद आप शीघ्र सपरिवार भारत यात्रा का प्लान करें और हमारा आतिथ्य स्वीकार करें.
How our relations become a factor of stability for our region and for the world. How we work together for global good, all these aspects need to be considered, the PM said.
वैश्विक कल्याण के मूल्य जैसे लोकतंत्र, रूल ऑफ लॉ, फ्रीडम, म्यूचुअल रिस्पेक्ट, इंटरनेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस का सम्मान और पारदर्शिता आदि को अपहोल्ड करना और प्रोटेक्ट करना हमारी sacred responsibility है.
The PM also said that India is committed to expanding its relations with Australia on a wider and faster pace.
Excellency, भारत ऑस्ट्रेलिया के साथ अपने संबंधों को व्यापक तौर पर और तेज गति से बढ़ाने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है. यह न सिर्फ हमारे दोनों देशों के लिए महत्वपूर्ण है, बल्कि इंडो पैसिफिक क्षेत्र और विश्व के लिए भी आवश्यक है.
He said the role of our comprehensive strategic partnership will be more important in this period of global epidemic. The world needs a coordinated and collaborative approach to get out of the economic and social side effects of this epidemic, the PM added.
आपने ऑस्ट्रेलिया में भारतीय समुदाय का और खास तौर पर भारतीय छात्रों का, हमारे स्टूडेंट्स का जिस तरह ध्यान रखा है, उसके लिए मैं विशेष रूप से आपका आभारी हूं.
Replying to the Indian PM, the Australian leader said he missed travelling to India.
And I thank you very much for the invitation for Jenny and I to join you in the future.
Morrison said, "If I would have travelled to India, I would have got the chance to enjoy the famous Modi hug.
While not, and be able to share my samosas, which I thank you for. We had a bit of fun with that on the weekends. So next time, it'll have to be the Gujarati Kishti."
Modi and Morrison have met 4 times during the last 1.5 years. On the sidelines of East Asia Summit in Singapore in November 2018, on the sidelines of G20 in Osaka in June 2019, on the margins of G7 Summit in Biarritz in August 2019, and on the margins of East Asia Summit in Bangkok in November 2019. The strategic partnership between the two countries was strengthened in 2014 with the visit of Prime Minister Tony Abbott to India in September and the visit of PM Modi to Australia in November of that year. Framework for Security Cooperation between Australia and India, signed in November 2014 during the visit of PM Modi to Australia, laid the foundation for intensified foreign defence and security policy exchanges between the two countries. Since then, regular meetings of the institutional dialogues have been taking place, says MEA. As per MEA, in 2018-19, the trade between the two countries was around $21 billion. Australia's cumulative investment in India is about $10.74 billion, whereas India's total investment in Australia is $10.45 billion. A Times online report.